back to my channel. It is Ty and I'm back with another video, and this makes the 4th video of my 7 Days of Heart series, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this look because I feel like as I'm doing these 7 looks, a little bit of me is coming out of these looks, like little by little, and these are from like experiences from my past relationships, but this look, it's kind of telling me something. Like, I don't know. It's kind of like, damn, you've been there, sis, so put out a look for it. Like, your heart's been there, sis, put out a look for it. Your heart's been there. That's one of your 7 hearts that's been there. Put out a look for it. So this, I just had to touch on this topic, and this look was brought to you by The Broken Heart. I know Valentine's Day is supposed to be all about love and, you know, etc., etc. However, not everybody's like that. Not everybody's in a relationship, a happy-go-lucky relationship, and can actually celebrate a good Valentine's. They might have just got out of a crappy-ass, pissy-ass relationship, and now they gotta be shoved with Valentine's Day stuff in their face. It's not gonna help them. So this is for you guys, y'all. I really just wanted to put out a broken heart because it is what it is. So I hope that you guys really enjoy this look, and if you haven't seen any of my last 3 looks from this 7 Days of Heart series, make sure that you guys go ahead and click that description and read that. It'll have the 3 links down there, as well as a little description of what the looks are. But moving right along, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting with my foundation and concealer already on, and my brows are done. I'm really mainly focusing on this eye look. I'm going to start with this shade right here in the corner. This shade right here.
Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from yet. They don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along. Now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now. Just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now. I don't wanna be the last around. No.
Taking this shade right here. I'm going in with this red shade right here. Next warm neutrals palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. cut my crease with my Tarte tape shape. Deepen that up, I'm going to take this shade right here with a pencil brush. And I'm going to be putting this right in my crease. Go ahead and do the other eye and I will be back. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking a black liner, a black gel liner, and I am going to be pretty much carving out where my cut crease is going to be, my second cut crease.
When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know. Why?
Pretty much cut out. I'm gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna take the black shadow from the Morphe 35W palette.
Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along, now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now, just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now.
Taking my Too Faced glitter glue and this NYX Brilliance glitter, and this is in the shade Red.
See myself no more. I don't see myself no more. Just don't see myself.
My face, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. finishing powder in dark.
Right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know. Why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you say. It's just that I don't see myself.
Oh, I'm nervous. I always get nervous when I'm about to start doing it, but dang.
Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along, now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now, just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now, I don't wanna be the last around, no. Right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know. Why? see myself no more. I don't see myself no more. Just don't see myself.
I'm gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna take this shade right here out of the 3502 palette.
When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you.
Same products that I used earlier, just for my lid. I'm just gonna be using it on the heart.
Keep in mind I got longevity deals now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along. Now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now. Just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now. I don't wanna be the last around, no. When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes.
I'm gonna be taking my Energy Revising Mist and I'm going to spray my face with this. I'm gonna be taking this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. Looks like this.
It's just that I don't see myself. Don't see myself no more. I don't see myself no more. Just don't see myself.
Going with LAX, and I'm gonna line my lips with this color.
When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes.
And now I'm gonna go in with Posh Mate. This is in the shade Edge.
Do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, and this is the finished result. I am so excited. What do you guys think? I honestly felt like every girl, I'm pretty sure every girl has had their heart broken before, and it's not fun. It's not like something that I want to like take pride in, and like I'm not celebrating on this look, but I had to incorporate it because out of all of the looks that you're about to see me create, they each have been a heart of mine. So it's the broken heart one. We had to touch the topic. I went to the anti-Valentine one, which was my last one, and I did that. And I pretty much went on there and saying like Valentine's Day isn't for everyone. You may not have a bae, you may not. And then there's this one where it's also kind of like an anti-Valentine, except I'm saying, here, look, my heart's been broken before, but that's not going to stop me from not celebrating Valentine's Day. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. What should you guys comment down below? Comment down below, broken heart. Clearly. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm sending lots of love. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the Glam Fam. Love you.